What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be discussing the top 5 affiliate programs that I recommend to beginners or even experts. If you're new to the channel, my name's Tyler Wise and I like to show people how they can start to make money online right away. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer and let's get started. So at number 1 we have Weeble. If you don't know what Weeble is, essentially it is a stock marketplace where you can buy different stocks. It's a brokerage, essentially. If you're familiar with Robinhood, basically this is like a direct competitor to Weeble. But the nice thing about Weeble is that they have an affiliate program. And based on this article that I was reading about from themoneyninja.com, once you get someone to sign up with your affiliate program, they will give you either $100 or $1,400 of a free stock worth that amount. So, I mean, you can't really beat that. That's an amazing deal, honestly. So, I mean, if you like to, make money on so if you like to invest in stocks or cryptocurrency, this is probably a great affiliate program. If your niche is, for example, just how to make money online or investments, this is perfect for you. At number 2, we have World Nomads Partner Program. So let's say, for example, your niche is you traveling the world, or you like to blog or vlog even about different locations that you like to go to. Essentially, this is a travel insurance affiliate program. So that way, in case, anything that, bad that happens. So, this is, if you're in the travel niche, this is perfect for you because you're basically helping out your followers by referring them to the best travel insurance that they can get. And people who are digital nomads make so much money off of programs just like this. So, if you're in, the travel niche, this is definitely something you should look into. At number 3, we have Shopify. So if you're unfamiliar with what Shopify is, essentially it is normally associated with dropshipping, which I do not like dropshipping at all, but I do think it is a valid business model. However, it does have an affiliate program. So basically, if you can get someone to sign up using your affiliate link, they get some extra days of their free trial. And if they do sign up, if they go forward and, sign up for whatever program, either a monthly basis or a yearly, you earn a commission as long as they are signed up. So it's a reoccurring commission. And, Shopify is an amazing website. It's an amazing website creation tool. So definitely look into it. A lot of affiliates don't get into this one. This one's a little bit harder to get into. They're gonna want a little bit more background of what you're able to do. But if you can get into it, you can make a lot of money. At number 4, we have Clickfunnels. So Clickfunnels is also another tool. However, this one's used to make mainly like web pages or sales funnels. I use this for all of my affiliate marketing, and I'll leave a link down below so you can sign up and check out Clickfunnels. But the best thing about this one is that you can earn up to a 40% monthly reoccurring commission from it. And Clickfunnels isn't cheap either. It costs about $97 per month. But if you get 40% of that each single month and you're signing up multiple people per month, then you're making a decent amount of money. So yeah, this is definitely something to look into. I love the fact that it's reoccurring, so it's definitely up there on my list. At number 5, we have Builderall. And essentially it's the same thing as Clickfunnels, but it's a little bit cheaper. And it has more things that you can use with it, honestly. The best thing about this one is that it's also reoccurring commissions. So you will be making a lot of money if you can get more people to sign up. And it's a little bit cheaper than Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels comes in at about $97 per month at the base level, whereas Builderall starts around like $67 per month. So that's a $30 difference. And honestly, that can make or break some people's businesses if they're just getting started. So honestly, check these out. They're amazing. Click the first link in my description if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing just like me. I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job and, start living financially free, all because I started doing affiliate marketing. It is the #1 business model I recommend. I don't recommend drop shipping. I don't recommend anything else, I guess. I can't think of anything else. But affiliate marketing is the way to go. I only work maybe 1 to 2 hours per day, and I spend most of my time just creating content. If that sounds like something you would like to do, try it out. It's called the 15-day challenge. It only costs $7. You really can't beat it. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you again in next week's video. Bye-bye.